Hi, thanks for checking out this video. I'm going to show you some screenshots of a website, and you'll see on this website how you can easily find some systems to trade. There's hundreds and hundreds. Literally, there's actually over several thousand different systems that you can find. You can even trade those systems if you like. Some of the systems, you can trade them on autopilot using the auto trade facility. And I'll show you in the next few slides of the screenshots of the site how you can compare the systems and analyze them to see which ones are decent and look good enough to trade. You can search for different sorts of systems that trade different sorts of markets here: stocks, futures, options, forex, for example. Going on to the next slide, you'll see, just having a look at a few of the systems. We've got a star rating. We've got the age of the system in the number of days. That's how many days this system has been traded for. The lowest length of time is, I believe, 229 days, so about 2/3 of a year, probably about 8 or 9 months, I would say. So also the number of trades that it has completed. This one's only done just over 130 trades. Not too bad. However, this one's done 1,973 trades. The average length of the trade is 4.6 days. Again, just looking at this one in the top left corner. The win-loss ratio is 77.7%, so more than 3/4 of every trade was a profitable one. The annualized return with commissions included is 95%. Correlation with the S&P index, 0.42. That's a little bit higher than what we would like compared to, say, this one is actually a forex system. The correlation with the S&P is only 0.009, so that's actually a very low correlation, which is good. We don't want to trade a system that is closely following just one of the general market indices. So this one here, in fact, you can see that the win-loss ratio, it's 94.7% of all trades have been winners. Incredible. And this is not trading in and out within a few seconds or a few minutes, which is a little bit less a reliable form of trading. The average length of the trade has been for almost a 24-hour period, well, just under 20 hours. Okay, so there would be some decent price moves during that time. Okay, having a look at the next slide, you can see if we were looking at, say, the one that was at the top left, this one here, which was trading on stocks, looking at the monthly performance figures, it's had a profitable month for most months. There's been a few 3 losing months in 2007, 4 losing months in 2008, just 1 losing month in 2009, only 2 losing months in 2010. Overall, it's been traded for just over 4 years now. You can see the performance of the system here compared to the S&P 500 down here. Okay, again, I've blocked out the name of the actual system, but you can find that on the website, and I'll show you where to find the website if you come to awesometradingsystems.com. I'll give you all the details there. By the way, a few other ways you can find the various systems, looking at various the hot systems here that are doing really well at the moment. You can even find the worst performing systems if you're curious about those. Okay, there's a special system finder tool here. There's a grid which ranks them all based on whatever factors you're looking at. So there's a whole table, whether it be looking at the performance on the percentage return over a certain length of time, the number of trades it's placed, and so on. Okay. It will give you a detailed breakdown of every trade that was placed. Now it says hypothetical here. It has to say hypothetical, so everything's above board, because this is all past results, and the past is not necessarily the same. That's what's going to happen in the future. So things might not always pan out in the future the same way they have in the past. The model account status has done pretty well, starting with $100,000. Total system equity now $580,000, so the cumulative profit $480,000. And last of all, just a quick look through the number of trades again, the number that were profitable, the number of months tracked, average trade duration. There's lots of figures here, lots of statistics for you to look at, lots of analytics. You can go into even a lot more detail than this. Keeping things real, also having a look at the probabilities of the future account loss. Okay, so there we go. That's just a quick run through some of the things you can see. If you come to my site, awesometradingsystems.com, you'll get access to this plus a whole lot more. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.